Are you aware of the crucial role communication plays in workplace success? This video explores how developing communication skills can enhance professional growth and effectiveness. Learn how to manage communication skills to support your career. Communication is central to workplace effectiveness. Sharing information with colleagues and presenting ideas to management are vital. The way communication is delivered influences how others respond. Developing communication skills is an ongoing process. It supports professional growth and sustained effectiveness. Confidence in team meetings allows for clear explanations. Adapting tone to the audience is crucial. Formal communication suits senior managers. A supportive approach works with colleagues. Digital communication tools are essential. Comfort with platforms like Microsoft Teams and email is important. Video conferencing skills are now crucial. These tools facilitate modern workplace communication. Mastering them enhances effectiveness. Strong listening skills are evident. Paying attention and taking notes is key. Asking follow-up questions confirms understanding. Building positive relationships reduces misunderstandings. Listening is crucial for effective communication. Improvement is needed in several areas. Written communication can lack conciseness. Excessive detail in emails dilutes messages. Nonverbal communication needs development. Nervousness can create negative impressions. Confidence in challenging conversations is vital. Messages can be softened too much. This reduces their impact. Being assertive without confrontation is key. It strengthens professional communication. Training and workshops enhance skills. Feedback identifies improvement areas. Observing role models builds adaptability. Self-reflection aids in recognizing effective methods. Improving skills leads to greater effectiveness. Clear emails save time and reduce misunderstandings. Strong presentations influence decisions. Nonverbal skills enhance perception. Confidence supports leadership growth. Developing skills is essential for personal and organizational success. Verbal and digital communication are strong foundations. Improving written clarity and nonverbal presence is crucial. Engaging effectively supports career development. A well-rounded communicator is more effective. Reflecting on workplace communication is insightful. A team meeting illustrated skill application. Verbal communication was clear and simple. Positive feedback showed understanding. Summarizing key points could enhance effectiveness. Nonverbal cues play a crucial role. Eye contact and gestures create inclusivity. Nervousness can lead to closed body language. Awareness of body language is essential. It influences how messages are received. Active listening is a key skill. Listening attentively builds trust. Adapting explanations meets colleagues' needs. It enhances overall communication effectiveness. Active listening is vital in workplace interactions. Written communication needs improvement. Emails should be concise and clear. Overly long content risks being overlooked. Bullet points and headings can help. Clarity ensures messages are understood. Communication was effective in achieving goals. Colleagues understood the new process. Verbal clarity and active listening were strengths. Conciseness in writing needs improvement. Effective communication requires multiple skills. A personal development plan guides improvement. Reflecting on strengths and weaknesses is key. SMART targets ensure practical progress. Goals align with professional growth. A structured approach tracks development. Focus on concise workplace emails is crucial. Feedback on clarity and conciseness is sought. Revising drafts enhances readability. Written skills reduce misunderstandings. Clear documents save time. Maintaining eye contact is important. Open body language enhances engagement. Recording presentations aids feedback. Practice builds confidence. Nonverbal skills improve professionalism. Practicing assertive communication is vital. Feedback on clarity is essential. Training on assertiveness aids development. Handling conflict professionally is key. Messages should be clear and confident. Paraphrasing confirms understanding. Summarizing key points is useful. Consistent practice builds trust. Active listening reduces miscommunication. It fosters positive workplace relationships. SMART targets focus on improvement areas. Practical and measurable goals are set. Feedback and practice monitor progress. Development supports effective communication. It benefits personal and organizational growth. In conclusion, a structured plan ensures continuous improvement and long-term effectiveness. Thank you for watching this video.